Hi students, today we are going to learn about the topic dividing a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Then I will explain with the help of some example. Consider the number 4862 division 2. Our first example 4862 division 2. 4-digit number dividing by 1-digit number. So the previous class we already learned how to write these numbers. Then 4862 by 2. So in which table we are taking? We are taking 2's table. Then here first number is 4. Then in 2's table how we can got the answer 4. That is we already studied the multiplication table. 2 2's are 4. So we are taking these 2 as a quotient and 2 2's are 4. Then division is a repeated subtraction. So we are writing here as a minus. 4 minus 4 equal 0. So we write 0. Then consider the second position number, that is 8. Next we are considering the 2's table. How we can got the answer 8. We already studied in 2's table. 2 4's are 8. 2 4's are 8. So we are taking 4 as the answer here and 4 2's are 8. Then 8 minus 8 equals 0. Taking next number is 6. Then next step is, yes, in 2's table how we can got the answer 6. We already know that 2 3's are 6. So we are taking 3 as here. Then 3 2's are 6. 6 minus 6 equal 0. Then last number is 2. Then in 2's table how we can got the answer 2. 2 1's are 2. Yes, 2 1's are 2. So we write 1 as the answer. Then 1 2's are 2. Then 2 minus 2 equal 0. Okay. Then first number is 4. Then in 2's table how we can got the answer 4. 2 2's are 4. So we write 2 here. 2 2's are 4. Then division is a repeated subtraction. So write minus here. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Then consider the second number, that is 8. In 2's table how we can got the answer 8. 2 4's are 8. So we write 4 here. 4 2's are 8. Then 8 minus 8 equals 0. Then taking the third number, that is 6. Then in 2's table we can got the answer 6 as 3. So we write 3 here. 3 2's are 6. Then 6 minus 6 equals 0. Then last number is 2. In 2's table we got the answer 2 as 1. So we write 1 here. 1 2's are 2. Then 2 minus 2 equal 0. Then next step is we can check our answer is correct. Before that we write the quotient, remainder, etc. So 2431 as a quotient or remainder? Yes, quotient. So 2431 as a quotient and the bigger number is a dividend. Then balance, remaining number as the remainder. And we can take in which number using to division, that is our divisor. Then in the previous class we already learned how we can check our answer is correct using one formula. Dividend equal divisor into quotient, plus remainder. So our divisor is 2. 2 multiplied by our quotient is 2431 plus remainder. Our remainder is 0. Then so we multiply 2 into 2431. So we are multiplying 2431 multiplied by the number 2. Then 1 2's are 2. 2 3's are 6. 4 2's are 8. Then 2 2's are 4. So we get the number as 4862 plus 0. We already know that we are adding a number to 0, we get the same number. So 4862 as our dividend. Our dividend is already 4862. So our problem is over. Okay. Then once again I explain, consider number 4862 division 2. We are taking the 2's table, then we are taking single numbers. First we take the number 4, then 2's table we can get the number 4 as 2 2's are 4, then 4 minus 4 equal 0. Then take next number 8, then in 2's table 8 we can get the number as 4, then 4 2's are 8, 8 minus 8 equal 0. Take the third number 6, then in 2's table we can get the number 6 as 2 3's are 6. So we write 6 here. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Then last number is 2. In 2's table, how we can got the number 2? Yes, 1. 1 2's are 2. So 2 minus 2 equal 0. Next step is marking the dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder, etc. Our answer is quotient. The bigger number is the dividend, remaining number is the remainder, and we can take in which number using as a division, that is our divisor. Next step is we can check our answer is correct. One formula is here. We already learned in our previous problems. Dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Our divisor equal to quotient equal 2431 plus remainder equal 0. Then we are multiplying this number, then getting 4862. Our dividend is correct. Both of them are the same number, so our problem is correct. Then one more example. Consider number 6935 divided by 5. So we write 6935 divided by 5. Then which table we are taking? We are taking 5's table. Then consider the first number. Here first number is 6. Then in 5's table, no, there is no 6. So we are taking 5 1's are 5. Then 5 2's are 10. Then which number we are selecting? We are selecting the less than 6 number. Okay, then less than 6 equal 5. So how we can got the number 5 in 5's table? 1 time. So we write 1 here and here 5. Then 6 minus 5 equal 1. Okay, then in 5's table there is no 6. So considering in 5's table we are taking 2 position. 5 1's are 5, 5 2's are 10. Here we are writing less than 5. Why we are writing less than 5? Suppose we are writing here 5 2's are 10, then 6 minus 10 is not possible. So that's why we are selecting less than 6. Okay, then 5 1's are 5. We write 1 here, then 1 5's are 5. 6 minus 5 equal 1. Then taking the second number 19. Okay, then in 5's table, we get the answer is 19. No. Then we are writing 5 3's are 15 and 5 4's are 20. Okay, then we want the number 19. In 5's table there is no 19. So which number we are selecting, 15 or 20? Yes, we are selecting 15. Why we are selecting 15? We want the number 19. There is no 19 in 5's table. So we are considering less than 19. Which is the number, 15 or 20? Which is the number is less than 19? Yes, 15. So we write 15. How we can got the number 15 in 5's table? Yes, 3. So 3 5's are 15. Okay, then 19 minus 15. 9 minus 5 equal 4. Then 1 minus 1 equals 0. Then considering the next number 3. So 43. In 5's table there is 43? No. Then 5 8's are 40. Then 5 9's are 45. So we are selecting which number, 40 or 45? Yes, we are selecting 40. How we can got the number 40 in 5's table? 8. So we write 8 here. Then 8 5's are 40. Then 43 minus 40 equal 3. Then last number is 5. So our number is 35. In 5's table there is 35. Yes, 5 7's are 35. 5 sevens are 35. So we write 7 here. Then 7 fives are 35. Then 35 minus 35 equal 0. Okay. Then once again I explain this problem. Consider number 6935 divided by 5. Then our first number is 6. In 5's table there is no 6. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we are selecting less than 6. Then less than 6 the number is 5. How we can got the number in 5's table? 1. Then 1 5s are 5. Then 6 minus 5 equal 1. Then next number 9. So 1 and 9 together 19. In 5's table there is no value for 19. Again we are writing 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. Then which number is less than 19? Yes, 15. Then in 5's table, how we can got the number 15? 3 times. So we write 3 here. 5 3s are 15. Then 19 minus 15 equal 4. Then taking the next number 3. 43. Then in 5's table, there is 43? No, there is no 43. Suppose we are writing 5 8s are 40 and 5 9s are 45. Then we want the number 43. So we select which number, 40 or 45? Yes, 40, because it is the less than 43. So how we can got the number 40 in 5's table? 8 times. So we write 8 here. 8 5s are 40. Then 43 minus 40 equal 3. Then last number is 5. Then in 5's table 35 got 7 times. Then 7 5s are 35. Then 35 minus 35 equal 0. Next we write then which is our quotient? Yes, our answer is quotient. Then quotient right here. And this number is dividend. And the remaining number is remainder. Remainder. And which number we can use division as a divisor. Okay. Then we are checking our answer is correct. How we can check our answer is correct? Dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then our divisor equal 5. 5 multiplied by quotient equal 1387 plus remainder equal 0. Then we multiply 1387 multiplied by 5. Then 7 5s are 35, 5, 3 balance. 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 3 equal 43, 3, 4 balance. Then 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4 equal 19, 9, 1 balance. Then 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 1 equal 6. So we get the answer as 6935. Okay. So our dividend is also 6935. Okay. So both of the answers are correct. So our division problem is also correct. Okay. Then one more example. Consider number 3672 division 8. So we write 3672 then divided by 8. Then our first number is 3. Here the number is 8. Then the bigger number 8. In 8 table there is no number 3. So we are taking that these two numbers together. Okay. First we are taking the number 3. 3 is greater than 8. So we are taking, there is no tables in 8, the value 3. So we are considering the two values together, 36. So in 8's table there is 36. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. Then we are getting 8 4s are 32 and 8 5s are 40. So 32. Here we want the number 36. So there is no 36 in 8's table. That's why we are selecting less than 36. That is 32. Then we got the answer 32 as 4 times. Then 8 4s are 32. Then 6 minus 2 equal 4. Then next number is 7. Then in 8's table there is 47. 8 5s are 40. Then 8 6 are 48. So we are selecting less than 47. Then which is the number less than 47? 40. Then how many times we get the table 40 answer? 5 times. So we write 5 here. 5 8s are 40. Then minus 47 minus 40 is 7. The next number is 2. Then in 8's table there is 72. 8 8s are 64 and 8 9s are 72. 8 8s are 64. Then 8 9s are 72. So we get the answer 72. Then 72 got 9 times. So we write 9 here. Then 9 8s are 72. So 72 minus 72 equal 0. Okay. Once again I explain the problem. Consider number 3672. We are taking the first number here 3. Then 3 is greater than 8. So we are selecting 36 together. Then 8's table 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. So we want the number 36. There is no 36. That's why we are selecting less than 36. In this number, which is less than 36? Yes, 32. So 8 4s are 32. We write 4 here. 4 8s are 32. Then 6 minus 2 equal 4. Next number is 7. Then 47. Then 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. So we select less than 47. That means 40. How many times? 5 times. So 5 8s are 40. Then 47 minus 40 is 7. Then next number is 2. Then 7 2 together 72. Then we know that 9 8s are 72. Then 72 minus 72 is 0. Next we want to check our answer is correct. Before that we are writing quotient, remainder, etc. Then this is our quotient and this is dividend. And it is remainder. And this number as divisor. So we are next checking our answer is correct using the formula. Then using the formula dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then our divisor is 8. Then 8 multiplied by quotient equal 459. Plus our remainder is 0. Then multiply 459 multiplied by the number 8. Then 9 8s are 72. Then 2, 7 here. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 7 equal 47. Then 7, 4. Then 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 4 equal 36. Then we get the answer 3722 plus 0 is also 3672. So both of the answers are correct. So our problem is also correct. Okay. So I hope all of you understood today's class. Then before winding up our class, all of you do exercise 6.3 in your notebook. Then children, take care. Bye. Thank you.